Well, I bought a sailboat today. It's used, quite used, and it needs a lot of work. This is a Shark Catamaran. Measures about 20 feet on the overall and about 17 feet on the waterline. Brought it home today. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. I got right to it and bought it and drug it home, and I'm going to restore it or renew it and get it back in the water. It's going to take quite a bit of work, but I think I'm up to it, and I'm going to try and record it as we go. Now this boat is 20 foot long, 17 foot on the water line, and weighs about 400 to 450 pounds. As you can see, it needs quite a bit of work. The spray trim is shot. The plywood trampoline is shot. The fiberglass is bad. The dagger boards are bad. The sails are on an unknown condition. I'm going to open them up and see what the condition of the sails in. The rudders are inside there, along with the covers for the coolers, and you can see the folds in the middle. It's 10 foot wide, which will be too wide to go on the highway, so they made this trailer with these side flaps that flap down, and you can extend it to the 10 foot, bolt it together, and put your sail up and sail. They were made in 1963, going through I think to the early 80s, the best I could figure. They started out, they were designed by Mr. David Gibbs, and this boat was built by the Gibbs company, which was bought out by MFG, and this one was made in LaSalle, Michigan. When I pull the sails out, I assume I'll find a number on the sail to see what the hull number is, and I'm going to just looking it over today because I just got it home. The fiberglass is very, very worn. I'm going to have to do a full restoration, but I think in the end I'll have a pretty nice boat. We'll see how we go. Somebody started to take the fiberglass off. They took all the bolts out, and that's as far as they got. The fellow I got it from just wanted to see it go to somebody that was going to restore it. I got it for a good price, but if you know anything about boats, after you're all done, you're lucky to get out what you got into it, and that's not my goal. My goal is to do some sailing with it and just have a fun project. These are the best I could figure are called spray trim, to stop the water from spraying up and maybe give it some buoyancy if the front dives down. They've got to come off and be rebuilt. From the best I can tell, the two dagger boards are shot. One of them is separated at the glue line. The other one I don't know. I drug it home on the trailer. It traveled real nice. It pulled well. It's not very heavy, but the whole trailer also needs to be redone, and we're going to do that when we get to it, one step at a time. If you want to watch me do this, follow along with me. I'll put one update a week so that you're not overwhelmed, and they're only going to be 5 minutes long because it takes so long to download these videos onto YouTube. There's the sails I got. There's 4 sails with it. I don't believe all of them go with it, but they might. If you have one of these and you can help me out along the way, I'd appreciate it. You throw a comment out there, or if not, you can find me on Facebook. I'm in that Shark group, and send me a private message, and I'd appreciate some help. So in the next video I do, we'll start taking some inventory, open the sails up, see what we got, and kind of get a plan of action. And I hope you follow along and subscribe, and we'll take it from there. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time.